Okay, it's my new electric screwdriver. It's the Tiri Smart, about 20 bucks on Amazon. Let's check this sucker out. Cool. It's got a backwards, forwards, charger with a USB. It's pretty good. All right.
Now the other side?
Yes. All right, good job. All right, so here you go. It also has a little LED light. Back, forth. It's basically really only strong to take out, you know, screws like from the wall or maybe television, small things. It's not too strong, but you can start to move things manually, and then once they're loose enough, you can back them out or put them back in. So it's not bad. For 20 bucks, this thing has come pretty handy. I usually take this out and then I use my tool set. Let me show you that. Okay, so usually I just take this piece off here, and then I can put this adapter. I have a bigger one, I can't find it, but I just put this in here.
Daddy, you want me to hold it?
All right, and then I can put in bits, different bits like this one right here. Got a whole bunch of these. You can use any one you need. Okay, and then you can unscrew wall outlets in seconds and put them back.
And then do I put it back?
Yes. You gotta make sure not. There you go. Go with the front one. All right.
This?
All right, so there you have it. It's the Tiri Smart. It's on Amazon. I'll post a link below. I've had it for a month now, and I've been using it more and more. I used it earlier when I was working on my car. I just changed out a bit to a socket, and I put an adapter in a socket, and I was able to take off small screws pretty quickly, like from the air intake. So
make sure to subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you, guys.